Kishima gets caught in Hurricane Helene.
Fuck. How the hell do I get through this shit? What the hell?
Chat, what country is this?
I'm trying to go to a place where I can call an Uber, but all the Ubers are unavailable.
Huh? Florida where?
Shut up, Melon. Spam Melon's name. Melon just gifted. Melon just gifted. Melon just gifted. Anyone that gifts, spam their name.
Chat, my house, chat! Chat, my house! No! Oh no, oh no. Chat. Chat, what coast, like what spot is it hitting, chat? Guys, there's no way it's hitting my house, right? Oh, it didn't hit Miami. Too easy. It's too easy.